This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable vertical tabs on the Google Chrome web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Google Chrome web browser opened up now. If you look up top here, you can see I have several tabs open across the top up here. This is the way your tabs would normally look. They would normally run across the top up here, but you could actually change that to where they're running along the side over here. The way to do that, you want to go up to the top up here, up to where your tabs are at. You could basically click anywhere up here. All you need to do is right click, and then I'm going to go down to where it says Show Tabs Vertically. Click on Show Tabs Vertically. And now as you can see, off to the left-hand side, all my tabs have moved from the top off to the left side here. There is a 3-bar menu right up here. If you click on that, it will minimize that. You'll have just the icons basically, or you could click on that 3-bar again, and it brings it back out. And to restore this, all you need to do is right-click again over here in the tab group area anywhere, and you'll go down and you'll click on Show Tabs Horizontally. And it moves your tabs back up to the top, back to the way it was before. That is how to display your tabs vertically in the Google Chrome web browser. Thanks for watching.